Hi, this tutorial is about setting rivets in leather. Thanks for watching. Rivets are a wonderful way to attach leather pieces to itself, to put an applique on, to add an embellishment. They're like stitching that you can put along the edge of your project and it will hold it together. So we're going to demonstrate now how to insert and set rivets in your leather project. First thing you want to pay attention to is the thickness of your leather. So because the rivets have two parts, a post and a cap, or a stem and a cap. Can you see those down there? Very small. You want to make sure that what you're putting together is not a lot thinner than the post or the stem that you're sticking through. You can see that there's just a little bit of rivet sticking up over the top of this, and that's a perfect size of rivet for these two pieces of leather that I'm putting together. So I put the stem and or the post back from the back side, and then I'm going to take my little cap and kind of push it onto the post, and it'll kind of click and stay on there, so it's not just going to fall off, which is nice. I'm going to take my rivet setter, which has a slightly concave end to it, hold it over the top of the cap like that, and hit it smartly a couple of times so that it kind of makes a dent in the leather there. And then it's just almost impossible to try to pull that apart. So that's what you want. If you choose a rivet like this one, which is a much longer post, you can see that I'm trying to change it so that you can see that it's sticking through the leather quite a bit. That stem is going to want to bend if it's too long, and your rivets won't look good from both sides. So you do want to choose your rivet size carefully so that you don't choose a post that is too long for your project. So let me do it one more time. I'm going to insert the post from the back side of my project, put it on the anvil, take a little cap, push it onto the post, take my rivet setter with the concave end, hold it over the top, hold it firmly, and hit it a couple of times with my mallet or hammer. And that's it.